The BRM-1K is a reconnaissance vehicle developed in the early 1970s, on the basis of the latest BMP-1 infantry fighting vehicle at that time. The Russian army still has hundreds of BRM-1Ks built during the Cold War. It is outdated for the modern battlefield, no longer able to fully solve all its tasks. For this reason, in recent times a decision has been made to launch a major modernization program. At the Military Technical Forum 2021, a new version of the BRM-1K was introduced. BRM-1K 2021 is said to have fought in Ukraine. A video posted on the Telegram social network on December 9, 2022 shows Ukrainian soldiers captured at a BRM-1K model 2021. The modernized version of the BRM-1K is equipped with a new remote-controlled weapon station, armed with a 2A72 30mm automatic gun and one PKT 7.62mm coaxial turret, which is also mounted on the BTR-82A, a Russian-made 8x8 IFV. For guidance, a day-night periscope sight TKN-4GA is used. Guided missiles are not used. The upgraded BRM-1K retains the standard hull with anti-bullet protection, layout does not change. According to Uralvagan Zavod, the engine is being replaced, which is probably the United 20S1 engine, which gives unification with other domestic infantry fighting vehicles. It can run at a maximum road speed of 65 km per hour with a maximum cruising range of 550 km. BRM-1K receives new navigation tools to determine its own coordinates, and calculate the coordinates of the detected object. The set of surveillance and reconnaissance equipment has also been changed. So, a small-sized radar antenna is installed on the tower. The BRM-1K Model 2021 is fitted now with a new J-band surveillance radar, able to detect moving persons and combat vehicles on the battlefield at a maximum range of around 10 kilometers. Despite the great age and resource development, BRM-1K remain the main domestic machines of their class. It would be unreasonable and impractical to simply abandon such equipment, write it off, and dispose of it. At the same time, repair and modernization with the use of modern components makes it possible to extend the service life, and bring the general parameters and capabilities to a modern level, albeit with some limitations. Thanks to the 2A72 cannon, the combat capabilities of the BRM-1K reach the level of the newer BMP-2. All this means that in a difficult situation it will be easier for the crew of a reconnaissance vehicle to protect themselves. Thus, after the modernization of the BRM-1K, they will be able to continue their service and show higher performance. Such a project is of obvious interest to the Army, as evidenced by the existing contract for serial modernization and the first batch shipped.